So Land Rover Defenders are by far the most popular Land Rover product at the minute, and we know this because of how many of them we sell. So whenever we get a good spec in the right colour and well maintained, which is exactly what this is. So this is a Land Rover Defender D250 X-Dynamic SE. So lovely spec both inside and out. It's got some nice options on it as well. It's a 72 plate, done just over 23,000 miles with a full Land Rover service history, which stands for a lot. So the D250 gives you plenty of power. So if you want to use this as a motorway vehicle, to and from work, family car, whatever it is, you've got plenty of power. But then you get some really nice features on it. And plus, if we're being brutally honest, they're just a very cool, good-looking SUV. From the front, the car's finished in Eiger Grey, but then if you get up close to it, you've got some X-Dynamic features. So there's a slightly darker satin grey and then gloss black accents as part of that spec. LED lights, you've also got the bonnet plates as well, finished in gloss black, and that full colour scheme just continues. So the wheel arches, also in gloss black, 19-inch multi-sport gloss black alloys as well, so it's been very well thought of, this car. The Defender is a good-looking vehicle as well as it being practical, but they are very good-looking as well. Black roof, and the biggie on this, which is one of the options I mentioned, it's got the sliding panoramic sunroof. Some of them come with a fixed roof, some of them come with none, but this has got the opening one, which is a bonus. Family vehicle is what they are, so it's fixed side steps for me. I need it, especially if you have smaller children getting in and out, or even yourself getting in and out, because of the height of them. They do make it much more comfortable. Leather seats, and obviously there's plenty of space in the back of a Defender. Again, I think it's why we sell so many of them, because not only are they cool and a popular, good-looking car, they're obviously user-friendly as well. Gloss black spare wheel cover, and you've got those really cool LED lights, which again, you don't see on any other car. And then the practicality, again, is the huge boot space. So you've got a monster boot space, tonneau cover as well, which obviously you can take off, but suitcases, luggage, whatever it is you're doing, daily activities, shopping, you can just plenty of space with them. Then you get to the interior. So with the SE or the X-Dynamic SE, you get some nice bits when we get in. Electric seats being one of them, Meridian sound system as well. So not just a standard sound system, you've got a high quality Meridian, which Land Rover product choose to go with. The mileage we've mentioned, just over 23. So again, 72 plate, not a high mileage at all, but if you partner that with a full service history and manufacturer's warranty until the latter end of 2025, then you've got peace of mind with that. The roof obviously comes with a visor and the ability to open it. So for me, that's the big difference, because having a glass roof is nice, but then being able to open it just makes a hell of a difference, especially on a day like today where it's warm, the summer's coming, you can just get that pop back. Dual zone climate control, again, just features you would expect to see in a Defender. You've got lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, which for me, after spending years with Audi, to see adaptive cruise control in the car, you'd have to spend a lot of money to get that. It's standard on this model. Digital dash or virtual display, which is very clear, straightforward to use. Then you've got that tablet-like screen, which shows everything from your Apple CarPlay, navigation, media, all your usual things. But then the big one for me is your camera, aerial view, and you've also got a rear view camera as well. So yes, a slightly bigger car than normal, but you've got everything that will help you do that, front and rear sensors as well. Plenty of space and cup holders. There's even a centre console armrest, which again, not all of them come with. Little feature for me I like, just because having the kids in the car, you've got USBs pretty much everywhere in this. So if you do need to charge things and you're going on a long journey, Land Rover had that all thought about and thought of. So it's a good looking car, very well maintained, and it just really has a good look about it. But Defenders, as always, have been very, very popular, even more popular at the moment. So if you are interested, again, you do need to be quick, because we sell these things very, very quickly. So if you are interested, contact myself. My name is Paddy, the number's below, and I look forward to speaking to you.